Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has classified SoFi as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.23. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this period. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 2.29%. This results in an average return of 1.15% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further growth within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 7.53% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 19.24% to positive 15.98%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of around 72.95%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance may vary between 37.92% and 172.06% over the next year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price range between $18.47 and $36.43. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, "Green Day on Tuesday for SoFi stock after gaining 2.29%. The SoFi stock price increased by 2.29% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, rising from $13.09 to $13.39. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.97%, with a day low of $13.09 and a day high of $13.48. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.63% during this period. Notably, the trading volume has increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 45 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $605,350,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 27.31% or $5.03 below the 52-week high, and 52.62% or $14.87 below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies, recognized for its robust fintech solutions, continues to attract considerable attention in the market. Recently, the management expressed ambitions for 30% member growth and 20% revenue growth, which are encouraging signs for future performance. Simultaneously, the company's checking and savings account offers up to 3.80% annual percentage yield, appealing to consumers seeking competitive returns on deposits, thereby enhancing user engagement and retention. Despite these positive developments, the company faces challenges. Analysts highlight its current overvaluation, with estimates suggesting the stock may be up to 32% overpriced based on traditional valuation metrics. This sentiment is reinforced as competition intensifies, particularly with major banks investing significantly in innovation. Concerns about maintaining market share against aggressive competitors like JP Morgan and Bank of America could impact SoFi's stock performance over time. In the short term, strong quarterly results, driven by strategic initiatives and member growth, can provide a necessary boost to investor confidence, potentially stabilizing the stock price. However, any negative developments regarding valuation or competitive positioning could lead to volatility. Overall, SoFi stands at a crucial juncture where strategic execution will determine its market trajectory as both opportunities and challenges loom on the horizon. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SOFI a hold grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform grade along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts recommend a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $13.34 and $12.37. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. Notably, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 6.3%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 60 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal from 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. SoFi finds support from accumulated volume at $13.27, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the risk level is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.39 between its high and low, which is approximately 2.97%. In the last week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 3.67%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is quite typical and is often observed in companies that have established long-term track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 6 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $13.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $13.27. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 11,520 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Schopenhauer Eric executed an insider sale of 55,730 shares of restricted stock unit. 2025, Schopenhauer Eric also executed an insider purchase of 55,730 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Schopenhauer Eric executed an insider sale of 22,989 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Pinto Aaron executed an insider sale of 45,388 shares of restricted stock unit. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 51.479. Overall, insiders have purchased 10,521,413 shares and sold 34,564,287 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.69, reflecting a decline of 5.25%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? SOFI presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either maintain their positions or consider accumulating more while waiting for further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the present price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of May, we anticipate that SOFI will open lower by approximately 6 cents and commence trading at $13.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.